You're not going to believe what we have here. It's the brand new talking Dinotrux. And I just wanted to do a quick little video of him and show you all the phrases he has. This is one big bad guy. Now let's pull his tail down and see what he has to say.
I told you to never disturb me while I'm eating. I will turn you into scrap. I don't share.
I don't share.
Now, get out. Out of my crater, T-Trux.
Out of my crater.
I warned you.
I warned you. What an evil laugh.
Scrap it. Stop talking.
Uh-oh, Scrap It, stop talking. He even has a place for Scrap It to sit right here. We've got him out of the box, so let's see what else he does. He rolls, and let's see, he's got some wheels down here, and there's where the batteries go. Whoa, he's really fast. And look at this. We have got a little Scrap It. And he can sit up here, and they are planning all sorts of bad things to do to Dinotrux and his friends. Let's see what else Dinotrux has to say about it.
This is my ore. I will turn you into scrap. I don't share. This is my crater. I warned you. I will turn you into scrap. Now, get out.
Now get out. But Ty isn't going to go anywhere. He's staying with his crater because it's his home. Let's see what Ty has to say. Oh, it sounds like he's angry.
Dinotrux, we don't give up.
He doesn't give up.
Scrap it. Stop talking. I told you to never disturb me while I'm eating. I warned you. We can do anything. We're Dinotrux.
Looks like Ty needs a backup plan. Here's Ty in his battle armor. He can defeat Dinotrux now.
Your worst. I can take it.
Do your worst, he can take it.
Boom! Love the new armor. This is my ore. Scrap it. Stop talking. I don't share.
Dinotrux does not like sharing the ore.
Gather up the trucks. We got a job to do. Boom!
Here is Dozer. He's come to help Ty.
Name's Dozer.
He's gonna doze Dinotrux. That'll take care of him.
Stay away from my mouth.
And here's Revit, always ready to help with his measuring tape.
I will put on my thinking bit. I have a plan. I suggest caution. I have got just the bit for that.
I have really enjoyed getting to share all these toys with you, and this new Dinotrux is awesome.
This is my crater. I don't share. Out of my crater, T-Trux. I will turn you into scrap. Out of my crater, T-Trux.
But I enjoyed sharing these cool toys with you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and hit the subscribe button down below for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.